Right, yes, welcome back to another episode of Dubai Homes. On this one today, we're with my uncle Sheizaad, Mama Sheizaad. Yeah, unfortunately, he is a little bit poorly at the minute, but inshallah, everything goes well for him. So I've got him sat here next to me. So, hello.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, so, yeah, obviously, anything you want to say about yourself? Let people know about you, how you're doing.
Well, there's not a lot interested in my life at the moment, except for the fact that, as you know, I'm struggling and surviving for battling in my life.
Yeah.
49 years old, but the clock is ticking
Yeah.
at an alarming rate, I should say, on top of that. But, you know, like I just asked you earlier, if anything were to happen to me
Yeah.
in the next couple of days or anything,
Yeah.
just make sure my daughters get to see it.
Yeah, definitely.
I've got a daughter, Yasmin, from South Africa. I've got a son, Junaid, from South Africa.
Yeah.
They will be both in Mauritius in the next couple of days, maybe 3-4 days.
Okay.
But
That's good news. That's good news.
yeah, but we don't know so far on my
Yes.
end if I am gonna make it, because I just walked out from a coma,
Yeah.
and so if anything were to happen, I would be really great if you can just take that forward for me.
Definitely, definitely. And I would like to add that obviously, I don't know if there are videos out there of how you used to be, but I mean, there's this uncle of mine. He was such a life of the party, and it was one of my favourite uncles to always meet. I always used to remember like little anecdotes he used to throw in of he used to buy like pairs of jeans for like £200-300 at a time. Yeah.
Yeah, I've had that life. I had a good run.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that. I mean,
No.
that's for sure. I had a good run in life.
Yeah. I mean, you
And,
lived in Ireland for a bit, South Africa,
Oh yes,
England,
yes, indeed,
been
indeed.
about as well. So it's
Indeed. I finished my education in Mauritius, then I went to South Africa.
yeah,
Well, ages ago, and there I completed my diploma in computer studies,
yeah,
and from there I got married. I worked in a bank. From the bank I moved a bit all over. I worked for a sales company. Then I moved to Ireland. I lived for about 3 to 4 years in Ireland,
yeah,
and of course in England about 5 years ago. 5-6 years stayed in England, and that's when I decided to come back home. I felt like a second chance was given to me,
yeah,
and it was indeed a second chance, because my life changed quite drastically. I mean, it was like more of a radical turn, you can say.
yeah,
Where I met Tanzania,
yes,
and we got married, and with her I got Sophia,
yes,
and so I've got one daughter's here, one daughter and one son over there.
and that's it.
But,
It'll always continue. Like your legacy will always continue. So,
Yeah, indeed. And I guess the best part about it is that they all get along together. My wife, current wife, get along with my ex-wife,
Yeah.
and indeed my daughter and my son, they also get along with my wife. So
yeah,
that's the joy of life.
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. I'm glad that I was able to make it as well to see you after quite a while.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's been like 6 years since I
Oh
last saw
yeah.
you. So
Yeah. 6 years already.
yeah, 2015 was the last time I came to Mauritius.
Unbelievable.
So yeah, I'm grateful that I've been able to come and see you in yeah, hopefully we'll keep trucking along and have faith in God, and yeah, to keep going forward.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Of course, it was my pleasure. So,
Assalamu alaikum.
salam. Yes, obviously, thank you for watching this video. Obviously, anyone that is in the family and related, at least you'll have something that you can go on, and he's going to live on in our hearts on YouTube now as well. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one.